This is the new launched educational all-in-one interactive flat panel by Yoda. Let me introduce its main functions and features to you. First, powerful function. The educational all-in-one interactive flat panel integrates computer, projector, TV, electronic whiteboard, microphone, audio and other functions into one interactive flat panel with multiple functions. It bids farewell to the traditional and cumbersome teaching forms and opens a new mode of intelligent teaching. The educational interactive flat panel adopts a 4K UHD panel with vivid and delicate colors and clear images. Windows and Android dual systems can be switched at will, and various apps can be installed freely, which can meet the needs of different scenarios. Second, electronic whiteboard. The educational all-in-one interactive flat panel is compatible with various electronic whiteboard software, supports in-field touch, and can directly use a writing pen or finger to write content on the screen. The 8-millisecond ultra-low writing delay allows you to write, erase, zoom in, zoom out, and move content as you like, with real-time, accurate, and fast response. Supports multi-person split screen writing function, a variety of graphics auxiliary software. To color pen writing, easy to mark and distinguish the key points of the classroom content. Intelligent teaching to teach through lively activities. A brand new experience of modern intelligent teaching, never having to eat chalk dust again. Third, wireless screen sharing. The educational all-in-one interactive flat panel can realize wireless screen projection without using a data cable and can realize multi-screen interaction with laptops and smartphones and easily transfer files to each other, making teaching more efficient and convenient. Fourth, smart annotation. Scan code to share and take away. Annotate anytime, anywhere. The annotation function can be used in any interface. After the teaching is over, generate a QR code, scan it with your mobile phone, and share it with the student's parent group or other group chats, making it more convenient to review after class. Fifth, various sizes. The educational all-in-one interactive flat panel can choose different sizes according to different use areas, and the solution is flexible, suitable for various teaching scenarios.